Good morning, welcome to the video. We're in Palm Springs today, California, and we're gonna go downtown Palm Springs. I wasn't gonna record today because I just didn't feel like it, but my mom was like, oh, you should, so here I am. We're about to leave. So yeah, I don't know if this is gonna be a separate video or if this is the continuous video from yesterday because I didn't really end it because I was tired. So yeah, this is my brother and I's room. The weather's so nice here. It's not too humid. It's not too hot. Here, I'll show you what it looks like outside. Picks it up on camera.
Holy sand.
But we're in a sandstorm.
Wow.
That would hurt if it got in my eyes.
Yeah. Honestly.
This is when you need a mask. Cathedral City. Here's the main street. Oh, okay, there is more action than I thought there would be. We're gonna go to lunch, or brunch, I guess. What time is it? It's only 12:47.
Maybe share.
Yeah.
I think he probably thought most people when they have nachos it's like an hour.
You should know you've been to Chicago, you dumb nut. Downtown Palm Springs.
Palm Desert.
Palm Desert. Yeah, I'll laugh about it, you dummy.
Jeez, you're so
Dang. Come on now.
fire like.
We're going on a gondola. It's like day 3 in Palm Springs, or 2. Hello guys, it's our last day in Palm Springs and we're gonna try to go on the tram again. We didn't record anything yesterday because we went on a hike and I didn't want to break the camera, but I'll show pictures.
I know.
Yeah.
I'm kind of.
Well, I didn't want to break it.
But we could have had a fanny pack or something.
We don't own a fanny pack, but we have pictures, so we're good. Anyway, we're gonna go on the tram. I'm in a warm outfit today because it's cold. See, I did take a good photo. Leo said they were all trash.
They are all trash.
No, you just said it was good, and you were like, I know. Yeah, you did.
Please. I feel like you're like a Karen just recording me in front of my face.
Dude, you break it, you buy it. There's a crack in the camera now.
Oh yeah, I'm sure there is.
There's the tram.
Oh Lord, there's a tour bus.
Is that how you get to
That line on the mountain is right there. That's what we're gonna be going at. We're about to board the tram. Oh, there you go. this is where we are now. And down there is where we started.
Oh, you see the parking lot?
Yeah. Oh, where? Oh, my camera can even zoom in that far.
Wow.
All the way. I don't want to drop. Down. Where's my finger? Oop.
Here, let me take a
Like
picture.
down
I already did.
there.
Of the kids.
Yeah, I got
All
it.
the way down there, or even further. Camera can't even zoom though.
Yo.
See that California drip?
Nice. Just cop the hat. Hey, give me my hat.
Put it on me for a second.
Why? It's not yours.
I want to see how I'd look like in the hat that I was supposed to get.
Nature trail.
Mom didn't want to buy you a hat.
Let me use the restroom.
Oh no, I got a hat hair. Give me my hat back.
Now I got hat hair.
You're a girl. You don't get a hat hair.
Yes, you do. We don't have different types of hair.
Do you?
No.
I mean, no. Never mind.
So we already leave tomorrow. I didn't record anything yesterday. This vlog has had lousy narration like I always do because I don't know how to record. It's more just for memories. But if you did watch this, I hope you kind of understood what's going on. But we're not done with our adventure yet. We have our flights home, and today we're going to the market in downtown Palm Springs. And then tomorrow we have to wake up early to go home, so that's fun.
It starts that way though.
Oh, I thought the arrow was pointing this way.
Well, it loops.
Okay, grab her purse.
Alright.
I'll grab her purse. We are on the nature trail. Didn't think this would happen in Southern California. We are in snow. Oh my gosh, it's been since December. Icy snow, actually. Wait, did it snow at home since then? January. So you can smell these?
Yeah, like just, it says smell the bark.
Smell the bark.
Does butterscotch, Mr. Butterscotch?
I can't smell anything.
Yeah. You can't smell anything.
A little bit, actually. Oh, my hand's sticky
I
now.
can smell it.
Can you?
Yeah. Right here.
That one doesn't smell like anything.
Maybe they stuck butterscotch.
Going back down. We were all the way up there.
Prepared.
Bye-bye, tram. This isn't the very end of this California adventure though. We're gonna go to the market in Palm Springs that they have on Thursdays in downtown, and then we have to travel home, which traveling home shouldn't be too much of an adventure. It should be like,
Just, yeah.
as long as, actually the morning will be an adventure, but like once we get to the airport, that will be good.
Yeah,
Because we've had some struggles.
Yeah, probably. I
What do you
mean,
mean struggles?
No, we've had some struggles driving to the airport on the day of our flight and not making our flight. That has happened before.
No, it hasn't.
When we drove from Vancouver to Seattle, we didn't make it. We had to spend an extra day.
Yeah.
It's happened a couple times, I feel like.
Well,
maybe.
we're trying to be positive, and Dad's probably right that maybe it's a holiday and
So,
we're early enough in the morning.
some
that
content worthy. There needs to be something content worthy.
Vlog.
Not getting enough of these gorgeous views. like a couple days ago. Now we're back to go to the markets. Where, oh, what I mean by back is that, or here. We're in downtown Palm Springs. Here's the market. You can see Marilyn Monroe up there. But it's really cool. I got a lemonade. There's lots of dogs here, and I'm obsessed with dogs. What do you think of this, Leo?
It's cool. I wish we had this every year.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mom supported by buying granola.
Look at the local granola.
What flavors did you get?
I got all three.
Oh, you got all of them?
Fruity, classic, special edition, and I don't know. They're all mixed.
Still have a long ways away, and we've done so much walking. 5 Palm Springs.
Until next time, right?
Until next time. My dad comes here every year.
Would you guys come back?
Yeah.
Leah, would you come back? Yeah? There's still stuff we didn't do.
My dad comes here every year, but we don't.
Guys.
We're leaving Palm Springs. It's golden hour right now because it's sunrise. I think it's rising on this side. There goes my suitcase. Last minute bathroom breaks. Actually, I guess I'll go. Why not? I'm sad that we're leaving now. We have like a 2.5 hour drive to LA, I think. So it's so bright for 6:30 in the morning. When I go to school this early, it is pitch black. Here's our car. Let's see. This is our food bag. Palm Springs. Stopped in Cabazon for gas, and
That's gonna take a while.
Her phone's gonna get disabled.
yeah, it was a very long time ago.
Alright.
Yeah, there's the outlets up there. Well, actually, you can't see them right now, but they're very big.
This is the side we didn't do.
Yeah, we didn't even see that it was a thing. Whatever. That's where I got this.
Haven't worn your Puma shirt yet.
It's from North Face.
Yeah.
It's so funny. We just accidentally got in this lane, and it's just been like a straight lane with no exit. The highway we want to be on is right beside us, but it's basically just like we get a free pass. But it's so funny because there's no
what is a
exit.
crossover?
It goes on forever. We all got the word on our fifth try today. It's Good Friday. Do they have wildfires like in this area? We made it. We're leaving our car. Made it to LAX. It's a zoo in here. Crazy in here. We just gotta go through security. Our flight leaves at 11:45.
We're gonna have a
It's
lot of fun.
9:59. We are still in security. Oh, wonderful. We We finally made it through security. We're gonna make it to our flight on time.
That took a while.
Yeah, it did. But that's LA, so.
Yeah.
Yeah. Smells kind of bad.
That's alright.
We're boarding the plane now.
We still gotta wait a little bit.
Yeah, it's a really long walk. We don't have a window, and we're like at the front of the plane too. Unfortunate. Dinner at Delta Club.
Like, how did you, when you saw your row, were you like?
This is our second time. This is our. We're home.
Be careful when opening the overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may.
I'm gonna get our car.
It's walled off.
Oh, this looks very familiar to like 1 week ago tomorrow. We are home. As you can tell, I obviously love coming home.
I don't want to leave a nice car here.
I love my family in my house. I like change, and I've lived here too long. But it was a great vacation, very thankful for that. And we had lots of fun, and it was very relaxing. And at least I have 2 days until school starts. Say bye, Leo.
Bye.